Hi everyone, it's me again, Daniel Wu, your sales executive here at Mitsubishi Valenzuela. So we are here inside the new 2025 Mitsubishi GeForce X-Force, no? So namamangha ako sa interior nito, and may isa lang ako napansin na mamaya sasabihin ko. So we will going to be honest, i-review natin dito para naman makatotohanan, hindi naman yung sasabihin natin na puro maganda na lang yung sinasabi natin. May isa lang ako nakita na natawa ako. Okay? So let's go. Let's have a walk around. But first, we will going to start at the front, which is in the walk around. It is the one we should start. Okay? Ang hirap mag-English. So, sanayin natin mag-English kasi mag-aaral tayo ng law soon. Okay? As I vlog the other unit, the Mirage, one thing I noticed here is their lever for the hood. Different design from the other brand. You have to pull the lever here. In the other brand, we used to lever like this. Okay. So here is the front fascia of the export tuloy. We will try to see if there's features here like front sensor and front camera. Nothing. Okay, so a very unique design of what do you call this, the headlamp. I almost forgot. Okay, I'll show you some of the features of the unit. So, black roof, maganda yan. For the unit. So, what's the size of the engine? 1.5. Tagalog na nga muna tayo. Oh, yeah. So here is the look of the under the hood of this unit. A 1.5 engine. Definitely good for this unit. It's like heavy. There's just a sensor here. So this is one thing we need. The side repeater lamp is located in the side mirror, of course. So let's take a look. The alloy wheel. What's the size? R18. Okay. Smart entry. Well, I need to sit down to test the comfortability of this unit. But first, I would like you to see the design, the sporty design of the seats. Okay. With khaki stitches. Yeah. And by the way, the speaker of the unit, no, what I mean the sound system is made from Yamaha. not the speaker of the house. And this one is like my like the sofa of my sister. I'm sorry. I'd like to be honest. Okay. So a little compartment here for the cell phone. Your console box. Another console, center console here. But that's later on. Okay. We will later talk about the driver side. That's the last one. Yamaha. Later the expander. So in this unit, even if the three sides of me are fit here, there's a center blower here, but no moonroof. And let's take a look at the back side of the unit. Shark spin antenna, roof spoiler. Okay. Do we have back camera here? Hands-free power digger with its sensor. Back. Meron naman siyang back camera to. Now, this is the craziest part. I didn't see any lever for the power lift gate, and I might be ashamed for this, not asking from anyone, but we will try it. Okay, that's automatic one, a large compartment, space saver tire. By the way, I would like to add up this, no? There's a center armrest for the second row. Okay. Okay, let's go to the driver's side. First, the automatic fold for the side mirror, the lock, the control for the side mirrors, the control for lights and power lift gate. Okay, this is a basic one for a high-end unit. Okay, the entertainment system. This controls this monitor. Okay, and this one controls for the MID, multi-information display, and I almost forgot again since I vlogged more than a month ago. Okay, this one sets the speed limit you want, and you don't need to step on the accelerator. Just you need to set it here. Okay, ang hirap mag-English, sorry. This is my best so far, and this is the control for the aircon, and this one the push start button, the drive mode. If you push it on the up, the driving mode will be changed. It is if the road condition is wet. I'm sorry for that. Push up, and if the road is grave, push down. Then we have auto hold here, and we have electronic parking brake and the cambio. Nabobo na ano. So I'm just trying to just test this. Okay, so the lights like this. Try pag English. Shade holder, Yan. So by the way, again, I'm Daniel Uy, and if you have inquiries, you may contact us at Viber 09310-481024, and it is WhatsApp na rin. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Dane TV, and I hope to see you here in our dealership to release your brand new units. Okay, so see you, bye. Miss you, BB.